After completing this final section, you will be able to state how to update the Ecdis software, identify how to set the CCRP for the vessel, recognize how to back up items, such as user objects and routes. The Ecdis software is regularly improved, and a check should be made at intervals to see if there is an upgrade available. To check the version number, press the F4 button with Ecdis running. Here we see version 4.8.3.1. The first three numbers are the most significant. It is worth having the latest software, as your experience is enhanced due to the amount of changes based on user feedback. Updating the software also keeps your Ecdis compliant with new legislation. We at Telco have a website where the latest version of the Ecdis software is available to download. A web search brings up the Ecdis site and area required. The software should be upgraded if different. Before installing any new software, check that the vessel's hardware is capable of supporting it. For each version of the software, there are documents relating to the product, a certificate of approval, and other files available to download. A feature guide is automatically put on the desktop for reference. Using the route menu and the printer icon enables a route to be saved to external media. This enables the route to be loaded on another device or just kept as a record. Using the same process allows any log record to be saved. In the menu, there is a Data tab that allows export or import of data. The Copy Out command allows data to be sent to the hard drive of the computer, a memory stick, or to connected devices, such as another Ecdis or a Telchart ECS. Files are to be copied out to a USB stick in the E drive from a previous date set using the calendar. A limited area is selected, along with all four available file types. The operator has to define the area of interest and the drive where the USB stick is located. When the Execute button is pressed, the operator is asked to define the limited area. This is done using a left click to open up the rectangular shape. With the file name entered, the required information is saved. Open the Ecdis setup and use the Specifications tab to see settings for the vessel. Here are the principal dimensions, and here is the conning position. The mimic diagram shows the conning position, positioning sensor locations, and the position of the anchor horse pipe. A value can be set for the depth of the echo sounder transducer. The tick in the box for radar targets are conning referenced, means that radar returns relate to the Consistent Common Reference Position, or CCRP, which is the conning position. There are other settings for the monitor that are made by a technician, but the master will decide upon some others on this page, such as allowing harbour mode. The position sensors automatically adjust to the conning position as the CCRP. Now that we are at the last summary, let's take a moment to look back on the key points covered in this section. The Telco website has information on the latest version of the software. Also available are downloads that include the approval certificate and user manuals. In the Ecdis Setup utility, there are settings for the positioning system antennae and the conning position. Ecdis allows files to be both imported and exported that relate to routes and other user-created objects. The conning position is used for the Consistent Common Reference Position in Ecdis. The radar scanner positions can be linked with it.